Welcome to Two Projects. In this video, we are going to explain the project FieldPlant, a dataset of field plant images for plant disease detection and classification with deep learning. Introduction. The projected global population of 10 billion by 2050 necessitates a 70% increase in food production. However, challenges, particularly plant diseases, pose a threat to achieving this goal, leading to significant food waste. Plant diseases incur an annual cost of $220 billion, prompting exploration into AI solutions. Deep convolutional neural networks show promise in identifying and classifying diseases, potentially mitigating the impact of crop yield loss. Current datasets struggle to represent the complexity of real field conditions. Models trained on control lab images encounter challenges in intricate field scenarios, resulting in diminished performance when applied outside the laboratory. Bridging the divide between models trained in control laboratory environments and practical field applications is essential. This initiative aims to empower researchers to develop solutions for complex plant disease identification under real-world conditions. So the project's vision is to enable researchers to create models that provide tangible solutions in plant disease identification. The ultimate goal is to enhance crop yield and make significant contributions to global food security by addressing real-world complexities in agriculture. Objective of the project. So the project aims to develop image processing and machine learning models aimed at identifying and diagnosing plant diseases. The primary goal is to optimize crop yield, promoting sustainable and healthier agricultural practices. The second goal is implementing advanced models like MobileNet and VGG16 to enhance the accuracy of plant disease identification. This objective focuses on reducing misclassifications and enhancing the overall precision of disease detection. And the next objective is to create a user-friendly interface to empower farmers with actionable insights derived from real-time crop analysis. The aim is to assist farmers in making informed decisions for better agricultural practices and increased productivity. And the project also aims at implementing cutting-edge models such as YOLO V8, SSD, and faster RCNN to advance agricultural technology. This objective contributes not only to practical solutions but also offers valuable insights and methodologies for broader research community. The focus is on pushing the boundaries of agricultural technology and knowledge. Requirements needed to execute this project are software requirements. Software used is Anaconda, primary language used is Python, front-end framework used is Flask, back-end framework used is Jupyter Notebook, database used is SQLite 3, and front-end technologies used are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap 4. Hardware requirements needed are operating system of Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 8GB and above, hard disk of 25GB and above. Now we'll discuss the working modules of Law of Work. The first step is importing required packages. This step involves bringing in necessary software packages, libraries, and tools that will be used throughout the project. Commonly used packages include those for data manipulation like Pandas, machine learning frameworks such as TensorFlow or PyTorch, and image processing libraries. The second step is exploring the dataset. The dataset exploration phase involves loading and examining the plant village and plant leaf detection datasets. This includes understanding the structure of the data, checking for missing values, and gaining insights into the distribution of different classes within the datasets. The third step is image processing. So image processing is a crucial step in preparing data for model training. Image data generator is applied to perform operations such as rescaling, shear transformation, zooming, horizontal flip, and reshaping. Torch Vision, a library for computer vision tasks, is also utilized for additional processing related to plant detection. And the next step is train and test split. So in this step, we will split the dataset into training and testing subsets. The training subset is used to train the machine learning models, while the testing subset is used to evaluate its performance. The next step is training and building the model. So for the plant village dataset, models like MobileNet, VGG16, Inception ResNet V2 and Inception V3 are trained for plant disease classification. In parallel, plant detection models including YOLO V8, SSD and FASTA RCNN are developed to identify and locate diseases within images. And in the next step, going beyond the initially mentioned algorithms, additional advanced models are created. These models are specifically designed to enhance disease classification and detection capabilities, introducing further sophistication to the project. And in the next step, using the Flask framework, a user-friendly front-end is constructed. This interface is designed to facilitate user testing and includes features for secure user authentication, ensuring a smooth and protected user experience. And the next step is Flask framework with SQLite for sign-up and sign-in. So Flask, a web framework for Python, is set up along with SQLite for user sign-up and sign-in functionality. This establishes the infrastructure for secure user authentication, allowing users to access personalized features and data. So after signing in, users interact with the system by providing input, typically in the form of images containing plans for disease analysis. This input serves as the basis for the subsequent analysis. Later, the provided images undergo pre-processing steps to enhance their quality and suitability for model predictions. These steps include resizing, normalization, other transformations necessary for effective analysis. After that, the trained models are employed to make predictions based on the pre-processed input. Each model leverages the knowledge it gained during the training phase to provide predictions related to disease classification and detection within the given images. And the final predictions generated by the models are displayed through the front-end interface. This provides users with a comprehensive and easily interpretable view of the analysis results, allowing them to understand and act upon the information provided by the system. Now we'll understand about the algorithms used. The first algorithm built is MobileNet. So MobileNet is a lightweight deep learning model designed for mobile and edge devices. It uses depth-wise separable convolutions to reduce computational complexity while maintaining accuracy. It is well suited for real-time applications with limited computational resources. MobileNet is chosen for classification tasks in this project due to its efficiency, making it suitable for deployment on resource-constrained devices. The second algorithm used is VGG16. So VGG16 is a convolutional neural network architecture known for its simplicity. It consists of multiple layers with small convolutional filters, providing a straightforward and effective approach for image classification tasks. VGG16 is selected for its simplicity and strong performance in image classification. It is often used as a baseline model for various computer vision tasks. The third algorithm used is Inception ResNet V2. So Inception ResNet V2 is a deep CNN architecture combining elements of the Inception architecture with residual connections. This fusion enhances feature learning and helps mitigate the vanishing gradient problem. Inception ResNet V2 is chosen for its ability to capture complex features in images, making it suitable for robust plant disease classification. The next one is Inception V3. So Inception V3 is another variant of the Inception architecture optimized for efficient use of computational resources. It uses Inception modules with different kernel sizes to capture features at various scales. And Inception V3 is selected for its balance between performance and computational efficiency, making it suitable for image classification tasks in this project. And the next algorithm built is YOLO V8. That is You Only Look Once version 8. So YOLO is an object detection algorithm that divides an image into a grid and assigns bounding boxes and class predictions to each grid cell. YOLO V8 is an evolution of this approach, known for its speed and accuracy. YOLO V8 is chosen for plant disease detection due to its real-time processing capabilities, making it suitable for identifying diseases within images efficiently. The next algorithm built is SSD, that is Single Shot Multi-Box Detector. So SSD is another object detection algorithm that generates multiple bounding boxes and class predictions at different scales in a single pass. It is known for its efficiency in handling various object sizes. SSD is suitable for plant detection as it efficiently identifies diseases by considering objects at different scales, offering a balance between speed and accuracy. And the next one is faster RCNN, that is faster region CNN. So faster RCNN is a two-stage object detection algorithm. It first proposes regions of interest and then classifies and refines these regions. It is known for its accuracy but may have a higher computational cost. Faster RCNN is chosen for its accuracy in detecting plant diseases, particularly when a more detailed analysis is required, even if it comes at a slightly higher computational cost. So these are the algorithms built for classification and these are the algorithms built for detection. Now we'll see the comparison graphs of algorithms built for classification. So this is horizontal bar graph comparing accuracies of different algorithms for classification. So in this graph on x-axis I have accuracy scores and on y-axis I have algorithm means. So accuracy represents the proportion of correctly predicted instances among the total instances, providing an overall measure of model correctness. This is precision score comparison graph. In this graph on x-axis I have precision scores and on y-axis I have algorithm names. So precision gauges the accuracy of positive predictions, emphasizing the fraction of true positives among all predicted positives. This is recall score comparison graph. In this graph on x-axis I have recall scores and on y-axis I have algorithm names. So recall measures the ability of a classification model to capture all relevant instances, highlighting its sensitivity to true positive predictions. And this is F-score comparison graph. In this graph on x-axis I have F-scores and on y-axis I have algorithm names. So the F1 score harmonizes precision and recall into a single metric, providing a balanced measure of a model's performance. So the algorithm which is best performing in all the performance metrics will be used for classification task. Now we'll see the comparison graphs of detection algorithms. So this is precision score comparison graph. So in detection, precision reflects the model's capability to avoid false positives, ensuring that identified objects are indeed present. This is recall score comparison graph. So in detection, recall signifies the model's effectiveness in identifying all actual positive instances, even if some false positives occur. And this is MAP, that is mean average precision graph. So MAP is a metric assessing the accuracy of object detection models crucial in tasks like plant disease detection for evaluating precise object identification and localization. Higher MAP values indicate better model performance. So we haven't used accuracy and F-score here because accuracy is less informative due to the imbalance between background and object pixels, making precision and recall more crucial metrics. And F1 score is commonly used in classification. It is less prevalent in detection tasks where precision and recall take precedence. So the algorithm which is best performing in all the performance metrics will be used for detection. Execution of the project. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project source code files. So this is the data folder in which I have two subfolders, classification and detection. So I'm opening the classification folder. So in this folder I have 8 different classes images folders. So I'm opening the first one, that is corn common rust. So these are the corn rust disease images I have. So similarly we have associated images in other class folders also. So these images are used to train models for classification of diseases. And I have images in detection folder also, which are used to train the detection algorithms. And this is static folder. This folder consists of files related to CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. This is templates folder. This folder contains all the HTML pages used in the project. It typically includes files like index.html, about.html, etc., which represent different pages of the website. This is test images folder in which I have these images on which we will make the predictions later. This is app.py file. This .py file contains the information related to front-end logic. It includes code written in Python that handles server-side operations such as processing user requests, interacting with the database, and generating dynamic content to be rendered in the HTML pages. And these are model files which contain algorithm information. These files will be loaded into the project code during runtime to utilize the trained models. And these are Jupyter source files. So these files contain combination of code, graphs, and outputs all in one place. They allow users to write and execute code in individual cells, making them a popular choice for data science. And this is signup.db file. This file is the database file used to store user information. So now copy the path of the code folder from the address bar of the file explorer. I'm copying it and open Anukunda prompt. Use the command cd followed by a space and paste the copied path and hit the enter button. So this command is used to change the current directory to the code folder's path. So now compile the app.py file using the command python space app.py. So I'm typing python space app.py and hit the enter button. So this command will execute the Python script and perform a runtime check for any syntax errors or logical issues. After running the app.py file, the Flask framework will host the application locally at the default address, local host and port unless configured differently. So this is the local host and this is the port. So now copy the local link provided by the framework. I'm copying it and paste it into any web browser. I prefer Chrome. After pasting it, hit the enter button. So the home page of the project has been displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Flask framework. So here we can see a sign up link, click on it. So if we are new users, we have to register first. Fill in all these details and click on submit button to register. And if we already have an account, we can directly log in by clicking on this link. So as I already have an account, I'm clicking on this link. So here we have to provide our credentials, username and password, and click on submit button. So it has redirected us to the classification page, and here we have to upload the leaf image. Click on choose file button. So from test images folder, I'm selecting the first image and click on open. So the image is loaded. Now click on upload button. So here we can see the outcome. This is the uploaded image, and for this image it has classified it as Con Common Rust. Click on try again button. Click on choose file button. This time we'll try the same with 8th image and click on open. So the image is loaded. Now click on upload button. So this is the uploaded image, and for this image it has classified it as tomato yellow leaf curl virus. Click on try again button. Click on choose file button. So this time I'm giving the 6th image and click on open. So the image is loaded. Now click on upload button. So here we can see the classification, that is tomato healthy for this image. Similarly, we can upload any leaf image and can get the classifications. Click on try again button. Click on choose file button. This time I'm giving the 4th image and click on open. So for this image, it has classified it as corn northern leaf blight. Now click on prediction link. So now click on detection link. It has redirected us to the detection page, and here we have to upload the image. Click on choose file button. This time I'm giving the 16th image and click on open. So the image is loaded. Now click on upload button. So it has detected the disease and drawn a bounding box around that. So the disease is tomato yellow leaf curl. So click on back. Click on choose file button. This time I'm giving the 14th image and click on open. So the image is loaded. Now click on upload button. So here we can see the detection, that is tomato that is healthy. Click on back, click on choose file button. This time I am giving the 12th image and click on open. So the image is loaded. Now click on upload button. So it has detected the disease and drawn a bounding box around that. So the disease detected is corn leaf rust. So similarly, we can upload any image and can get the detections. Click on sign out link. So the conclusion here is the project's deep learning models tackle the challenge of increasing food production by efficiently identifying and classifying plant diseases, reducing crop losses, and enhancing global food security. Heightened real-world relevance, the project closes the gap between control lab settings and field conditions. Advanced detection algorithms like YOLO V8, SSD, and faster RCNN increase adaptability in complex field scenarios. A Flask-based front-end interface empowers farmers with actionable insights from real-time crop analysis, fostering informed decision-making. This user-centric approach promotes better agricultural practices and heightened productivity. And incorporating models like MobileNet VGG16, Inception ResNet V2, Inception V3, YOLO V8, SSD, and faster RCNN, the project provides practical solutions while contributing insights to advanced global agricultural technology. And the project's extension proposes performance enhancement through techniques like DenseNet and exception for classification and YOLO V5 for detection. This commitment to scalability ensures the project remains at the forefront of deep learning for effective plant disease identification.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.